DIY. Colorful. Butterfly. Wings. Materials. Cardboard. Colored cellophane sheets. Ribbon for straps. Scissors. Pens and pencil. Glue. And black paint. Grab 2 pieces of paper. Draw the wing outline. Add shapes to the border of wing. Use big shapes so they are easier to cut later. Next, draw long tier shapes. Change what you don't like. Now it's time to cut the wing shape, so you can outline it on the cardboard. Outline the shapes you chose before. Do the same to the tier shapes. You can freehand it. Cut the wing and the holes out. First part done. Grab the cellophane sheets. Outline the shapes you drew with a bigger border. Cut, choose colors, and place them as you go. Paint the wing cardboard black. Repeat for the second wing. Time to glue the colors down. Let's put the wings together. Grab 2 cardboard rectangle pieces and glue them to the wings. Mark for circles where we'll cut some holes for the ribbon. Pass the ribbon through and knot on the back. Done!